Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw with raisins, full guide. Grate green and red cabbage finely, shred carrots, sprinkle raisins, and make a dressing of mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Toss everything gently until combined, taste and adjust seasoning, then chill at least 1 hour for flavors to meld before serving. Serve with grilled meats or as a picnic side, and store leftovers in an airtight container up to 3 days. Start with quality ingredients: crisp cabbage, fresh carrots, plump raisins, and good mayonnaise. Measure ½ cup raisins per 6 cups shredded cabbage and balance sugar with vinegar carefully. For lighter dressing, substitute half the mayonnaise with plain yogurt and add 1 teaspoon celery seed for aroma. Always taste as you go, adjust salt and sweetness, and chill the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes before serving. Serve cold and enjoy the sweet contrast of raisins versus tangy dressing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. It makes drives smell great and keeps your car fresh between errands. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel, and thanks for watching and helping us grow. Now let's get back to the video. Use a sharp knife or mandolin for uniform slices, and avoid overworking cabbage to prevent sogginess. Try adding toasted nuts, diced apple, or chopped herbs for texture and brightness. Balance raisins with a squeeze of lemon if you like more acidity. Mix gently with a large spoon, let flavors marry in the fridge, and serve within 24 hours for best crunch and freshness. This method works well for potlucks, BBQ, and weeknight meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.